everyone. For our next craft, take a green sheet of paper along with some brown sheet of paper and cut out the brown sheet of paper as shown above with spikes on the outer end. Then take some lighter brown sheets of paper, make it into strips and stick it in circles on the darker brown sheet of paper. Blow up a glove, add a red head to the top and make a hen out of the glove by adding eyes and a little beak. Take 2 yellow balls of clay and cut the arms out in the side and then add eyes and a little beak. Now them all together. For our next craft, draw some brown branches on the top of your paper and then add leaves with their details. Take yellow ball of clay and make it into an ovular shape and then flatten it onto the paper. We will be making a beehive, so take some darker brown clay and then stick it in the middle of the beehive. You may add a cute little bee at the corner of your page and other areas. For our next craft, take some yellow clay, roll it into a ball and flatten it as shown above. Take a earbud, paint it in yellow and stick it into the flattened ball of clay. Repeat this process once again, including the earbud face, and do it in 3 different sizes. Add green stems as this will be your flowers. Cut out leaves out of green sheets. For our next craft, take some red clay, make it into an ovular shape and then stick it onto some white paper. Using a fork, flatten it out and make lines on it. Repeat this process with blue and yellow. Add a cute little eye and a mouth and some horns, hands and legs. Repeat this process. Thank you for watching.